Food service is critical to campus life, particularly on the campus of Livingstone College. That's why we're deploying this food service protocol. Our food service protocol is both comprehensive and critical to the overall success of our campus operations plan. In partnership with our food services provider, Perkins Management, we will reimagine our food service delivery model to accommodate this new normal with the following changes. Physical barriers such as clear plastic sneeze guards and plexiglass will be installed at checkout stations, cash registers, and food stations. The seating capacity in the cafeteria will be reduced to 50% of the maximum capacity. Tables and seating will be spaced 6 feet apart. The cafeteria will be cleaned every 30 minutes and when possible after each use of a space. A grab-and-go station will be available to students who choose not to dine in the facility. Outdoor seating will be made available, weather permitting. The hours of operation are being expanded to accommodate this new normal. All self-serve stations will be eliminated, including the beverage station. Plastic cups and flatware will be moving to disposable utensils. For more information about our food service delivery model, please visit us at www.livingstone.edu.